Let's not get to that. Do you have a hard time learning a piano passage? Follow these steps to play a perfect piano passage. From the beginning, play in tempo slowly and then try the original form, faster. After, play the passage with staccato. The first step is to emphasize the first time. At me is 6 quavers and 30th, so every 4 notes is an accent. Pay attention to your fingers to sync them correctly. If you have perplexity, write them on notes. The last step is to keep the first time longer. And try again the passage. Thanks for watching and don't forget about subscribe and like.